Demystifying defame. What does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English vocabulary to understand the meaning and usage of the word defame. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means to defame someone and how to use it in a sentence. Defame is a verb. When you defame someone, you damage their good reputation by saying or writing false things about them. Think of it as tarnishing someone's image or spreading rumors that aren't true. In other words, it's the act of making false statements about someone to make others think less of them. Understanding a word is often easier when we see it in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. The celebrity claimed that the tabloid defamed her by publishing lies. 2. He sued the newspaper for defaming his character. 3. Spreading rumors can defame a person's reputation. To enrich our vocabulary, it's helpful to know words that have similar meanings. Some synonyms of defame are slander. This often refers to spoken defamatory statements. Libel. This refers to written or printed defamatory statements. Disparage. This means to speak of someone in a way that belittles or undervalues them. Malign. This means to speak harmful and false statements about someone. While understanding the correct usage is important, it's equally crucial to know how not to use a word. Remember, 1. Defame is an action, so it always needs an object, someone or something that gets defamed. 2. It doesn't mean just speaking negatively about someone. The statements should be false for it to be considered defamation. Incorrect. She spoke ill of him. She defamed. Correct. She defamed him by spreading false rumors. And there we have it. Now you know what it means to defame someone. Remember, words are powerful, and it's essential to use them responsibly. We hope this video clarifies the meaning and usage of the word defame for you. Happy learning and see you in the next video.